Hey guys, welcome to this video. I just wanted to talk about YouTube funnel. So this funnel I've been using for a long time. This was kind of like when I was first kind of getting started and set up. It was like if you have if you have money, then you either kind of have like money or you have time. So if you have money, you can go and buy results. If you have time, you can kind of create results over time, right? So as far as like starting a blog or starting a podcast, or in my case here, starting like a YouTube channel, which is what I did here, where I create my YouTube videos. And it was, after a while, you could see how to basically set up and go after like certain keywords and titles. So it wasn't too hard to rank videos, and then, all of a sudden you're starting to get traffic. So, when you need traffic to your funnel and you start getting it, it's like kind of awesome. So it kind of motivates you to go and make more YouTube videos. So that's how I kind of learned about the concept of the entire, like the YouTube funnel, and, implementing it for myself. So the cool thing is that when I was first starting out, it was just basically create a video, and each video would point to just the same funnel. So it was like, set up the video, it would point to the funnel, and the start of the funnel was always some type of lead capture page. So I could get them on email and then add them to my list, right? And then after that, whatever the rest of the funnel was just kind of like depended on, I just had, mine was just a simple tripwire funnel, but there was other videos that I made with the express purpose of sending to like an application funnel, right? So YouTube funnel is kind of awesome because it's YouTube, you have to remember, is like a search engine. So when you put something on YouTube, it's just kind of like there forever and people can search for it, versus like Facebook, and it's like kind of like it hits the news feed and then it goes down and then it's kind of like gone forever type thing, right? And the fact that Google owns YouTube, the number one search engine, owns the number two search engine, that's big. So, and you can use, the cool thing is you can kind of go a little bit ninja here on your videos and make sure that you have links in your video, links under in the description, end screens, all that kind of stuff you can use to drive people towards your funnel. So that's what's really great about YouTube funnels. When people are talking about videos, any type of video traffic, YouTube is still very much the way to go. I'm going to be branching out more with Instagram and whatnot, but I just wanted to show you as far as the YouTube funnel and kind of how to set it up for yourself there. So that's it. Go set one up. I'll see you in the next video.